and this serves as a warning. Pay attention here. As volatility has decreased significantly on Bitcoin, we are just about in the breakout zone. This is not a guaranteed bullish move. You can see back here, we saw a massive crash. Right here, move up and crash back down. Right here, crash. Right over here, crash before the pump. Bitcoin has continued to trade within this ascending triangle pattern. And while this is a bullish pattern, we are seeing a couple of different possibilities in this market. One pretty bullish and one very bearish. Let's check it out. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We're so excited to trade with you. If you head into the description of the video you're watching right now, you're going to be able to access our indicators, our membership here, where you're going to be able to access our now 99 win, 0 loss trade call strategy, access our daily crypto metrics, and our $1 million profit account challenge. A new members only content video was posted yesterday. Do not miss out on that. And you can join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Before we dive into it, just a couple of announcements. The next live Inner Circle Hangout is tomorrow. We're going to be doing our live Inner Circle Hangout tomorrow, November 30th, starting at 1 p.m. Pacific time. We'll talk about where crypto is headed and open up the call for a Q&A session with the community. Make sure you have your full access membership to join us tomorrow at this link. Next up, we have 2 new trade wins. An 8% trade win for Solana called out on November 21st. This brings us to 98 wins. And second, an 8% trade win on Doge, also called out on November 21st. Bringing us to 99 wins, 0 losses in 2023 so far. If you don't already have it, grab a membership at this link so you can join us for our 100th trade win in 2023. With that, we're going to head into the metrics. Scrolling down to Bitcoin, the very first metric we're going to take a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. Now, we have just barely pushed into neutral territory. I'm seeing a really interesting pattern here. As you can see, we're actually trending in what appears to be just about a channel pattern to the downside on this metric. And this is actually opposite to the trend of the price itself. You're going to see this divergence quite a bit with our data actually pointing to the downside, trending downwards with the price doing the opposite. But keep in mind, the lower the metric is, the more and more bullish we become. So if we form yet another lower low, and which brings us into anxious territory, this could result in moves up as well. So the emotional index could go really either way, especially since we're currently sitting in neutral. Next up, I want to take you down to the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector, and this serves as a warning. Pay attention here. As volatility has decreased significantly on Bitcoin, we are just about in the breakout zone. Now, the last 2 times we dropped below the breakout zone, we saw massive pumps that brought us to where we're at today. However, this is not a guaranteed bullish move. You can see back here, we saw a massive crash. Right here, move up and crash back down. Right here, crash. Right over here, crash before the pump. So be warned, big moves are coming very, very soon, but we do not yet know which direction it's going to be, and we need to look at other data to really figure this out. With that, let's check out what whales are doing. The Bitcoin whale smart money metric is going to help predict the whale's next move. Despite this smaller move to the upside, we have a much larger bar towards the short trade sentiment side for whales. This tells us that around this structure resistance, we're likely to see whales begin short trading this market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So as long as whales are shorting, we should see price drops incoming. This shows what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are doing right this second with the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart. Here's this divergence again. We see whale money trending downwards and the price trending upwards. This is major divergence and probably one of the strongest examples I've seen of this in a very long time. Most trends, especially uptrends, cannot continue without the support of whale money. So as long as whale money continues moving out of this market, we should be expecting price to drop as well. My theory here is that most of this move is supported by retail traders. There's a lot of retail traders that are just refusing to let go of their money and begin short trading because we're really high up, so close to breaking $40,000. People just do not want to give up, but we're at a breaking point as we saw in the breakout detector. Something is about to happen, and if whale money is tanking out of the market, it's very likely we could actually see significant drops. Now remember, yesterday we actually saw a huge move up from whales, and we discussed that if whales continued moving money into the market, this is where we'd see pumps up. But that is not what happened. Whale money tanked out of the market, and we're seeing slight moves down because of that. With that, I want to take you down to the Bitcoin major support and resistance chart. We are once again testing structure resistance at $37,999. And in fact, I believe we formed a new high for 2023, maybe by a couple of dollars, but I do believe it's the new high so far. Overall, though, this has been a rejection of this $37,999 level. Next up, I want to take you to the Bitcoin trade signals chart. I'm watching out for a sell signal. Based on the patterns that are playing out, I'll show you more on the live charts. If we get a sell signal, this would be catastrophic for Bitcoin. But as the price drops, be on the lookout for a buy signal to catch the move back up. With that, things are looking overall bearish. If you're a Bitcoin trader, you need to be paying very close attention to the Bitcoin metrics. They're going to help you trade every single day. They updated at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and members get access to the Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members get access to the future forecast videos, trade setups where we're currently now 99 wins, 0 losses. You're going to be able to join us for our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout starting at 1 p.m. tomorrow, November 30th. Do not miss out if you want to hang out live with the Trade Confident team. If you want to get access to all this and more, you're going to want to snag a membership, and here's how. You're going to head down to the links in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and you're going to look for the link that talks about the trade calls, metrics, and crypto account challenge. Click that link. It'll bring you to our membership page. Hurry up and snag this soon. This $59 a month price is a limited time special. We're going to be increasing prices pretty quickly here to $95 a month, but if you snag it at $59 a month, you get to keep that price. It's going to come with everything I just showed you and more. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we're going to head into the live charts. We're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, trades in favor, and breakout detector indicators. Now, I want to take a quick zoom in here. We're going to see if this is an official breakout or not. Correction, not a breakout. I meant a high for 2023, but as you can see here, our previous top is very slightly surpassed by this candle. So what we're going to do really quickly, record this number, $38,454. I just want to see how much of an increase this was. So we have $54 on up to $80. So this ended up being a $26 increase. But hey, a new 2023 high is a new 2023 high. And with that, I do want to get more in depth into this analysis. As I told you before, what we're seeing play out right now is an ascending triangle pattern. And we have a couple of important possibilities that we need to talk about. We are going to zoom in a little bit here. I think it's going to help kind of clarify what the indicators are reading. After retesting $38,480, we are seeing a bearish candle with whale money moving out of this market. Whale money is in the middle of its chart, while trades in favor is just about in the short trade zone with a 78% chance of a drop. This is very normal as we test structure resistances, and both of these are showing me short-term bearish. This tells me we could drop as far down, once again, to this structure support at $36,500. We already rejected that back here, but we still have plenty of time to retest that. Now remember, on the metric charts, we are seeing some pretty significant bearish divergence at this point. Both the trades in favor and the price versus well money flow are showing downwards trends, while the price itself is actually moving upwards, forming higher highs and higher lows. And if we move on to the 1 week time frame, you can see that price versus well money flow is extremely high, and trades in favor is high with a 92% chance of a drop. If we get a sell signal, as we have multiple times back here with moves down after each, this would almost guarantee a significant move back to the downside. And this, of course, is not going to be good for the crypto market. All of this is technical analysis and very easily could combine to create a major breakout to the downside. And remember, from the metrics charts, on the breakout detector, we are extremely close to the breakout zone. And whether it's from the resistance or the support, a breakout is coming very, very soon. This is why I'm feeling a little bit more nervous. If the price drops to the structure support and we see price versus well money flow showing well money continuing to move out of this market, it could result in that breakout that we've been expecting. This would liquidate a crazy amount of long trades and drop the price significantly. But if you see whale money move into this market like crazy, if we break this downtrend, I think this would result in a breakout to the upside. And my current target for this sits anywhere between $38,480 and $39,600. Just about up to $40,000 is my target if we break to the upside. And once again, the only way we're going to be able to tell is as we're testing structure resistances, if whale money moves up and breaks its own resistance, this is where we should likely see a break to the upside. However, if this divergence plays out, we see whale money trending downwards, and as we test structure support, whale money dumps out of the market, this should result in a break to the downside. But at this point, my target is either $36,500 or a retest and break above this resistance to $39,600. Either way, you need to be paying very close attention to these indicators. These indicators are what have helped us earn 99 wins, 0 losses in our membership scalping trades. They have helped us navigate this insane bear market, and if you want to be able to trade like we do, you need these indicators. And right now, just as a thanks for watching to the end of this video, I can show you how to get a pretty steep discount. Check this out. Once again, down in the description below, go ahead and scroll down, click more, and look for the indicator link. Click it. It'll bring you to our pro indicator page. Members get $150 off. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than without one. Once you have your membership, access the coupon code, click pro indicator pack, scroll down and click I want this, throw in that coupon code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. This is a total $550 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and we'll see you in the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Don't miss out.